I compliment CII for organizing this big picture summit in this pandemic situation where there are many restrictions for gathering. But still, I am finding now, day in and day out, that now programs are attended by more people through virtual video conferencing, and they join in a large number. There is programs are crispy and in a way more tasty. What is more important is that we are a country where the growth of communication technologies is phenomenal. We have now 1.2 billion mobile phones in the country, and we have 600 million smartphones. It's huge. In the world comparison also, these numbers are mind-boggling. Therefore, what I am feeling is that there is tremendous scope for all kinds of entertainment and information business. So, I will just say that AVGC is a sunrise sector, and our experts have been providing back-end support to top filmmakers of the world. It is time that we start doing more of this for our own film industry so that the use of animation and graphics grow manifold in the country. AVGS is a new dimension, and that we must cherish. We are also forming one institute and an excellence center of excellence where, in cooperation with IIT Bombay, where the courses regarding all these will be started, but more importantly, there will be other options and other various initiatives will be taken to promote the industry itself and promote the entrepreneurship and the startups. So that we are going to do in this center of excellence. As far as films are concerned, I will definitely request all of you to participate or join us for the IFFI 19 in 2020, which will be held on 16th to 24th of January. So please join for various entertaining programs and films. Year 22 will be 75 years of independence, as also 75 years of Cannes Festival from our point of view. The 75 years of independence will be celebrated at a different scale. But even Cannes Festival 75 years will have special pavilion there that also you can visit. And now that visit is very easy. Everybody need not travel. He can get the comfort at his home. And therefore, Toronto Film Festival held in September this year, and India will host a global media and film summit next year. So, with all these packed programs, I think the big picture initiative is very important, and I wish the deliberations all the best. Give your suggestions, we'll definitely consider them. Thank you, and all the best.